Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Get Served, where you can make restaurant quality meals at home. And boy, do I have a treat in store for you today. We are making lemon pepper wings. These came out so delicious. Once you learn how to make them for yourself, there will be no more need to go to Wingstop. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get these wings on your table. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start with some whole wings. I usually buy the whole wings and just cut them up myself. It's pretty simple to do and it's actually cheaper than when you buy them already cut up. And I'm not really a fan of the frozen ones. A lot of times they just don't look good. So I usually, like I said, just get the whole wings and cut them up myself. So to do that, you're just gonna spread out your whole wing and you're gonna separate the flat from the drum right at the joint. And then the little wingtip, I just discard that. So we're just gonna do this for all our chicken wings and then get them rinsed off. So I knew that I was gonna make wings, but it wasn't until after I got home that I decided I would make lemon pepper wings. So of course I didn't have any lemons, so I had to improvise. So I said, what do I have in my fridge that I can use? So I had lemon juice. So I decided to pour the lemon juice on the chicken and I'm gonna season them up and then just let them marinate for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. You could even do this overnight if you want. So we're just gonna get the chicken nice and seasoned. Put some Montreal steak seasoning on there. It's kind of like an all-purpose season to me. I really like it because it has the big flakes of black pepper that you can see. So I thought that would be appropriate for lemon pepper wings. And then I'm just adding some lemon pepper seasoning to them. And then we'll give that a nice mix, get all the seasoning on all of the chicken. So lemon pepper wings are pretty popular now, but there are so many different ways that you can make wings. A lot of people like garlic parmesan, regular barbecue, buffalo wings, spicy Asian. There's so many different combinations. Let me know in the comments what type of wings are your favorite. And then, of course, you have the great debate between drums and flats. Now, I must admit, all my life I've been a drums girl, but here lately I've been getting pulled into the flats crowd. I don't know what it is about them because the drum does have more meat, but it's just something about those flats. So in the comments section, let me know, are you team drums or team flats? So I'm just throwing a little bit more seasoning, more lemon pepper seasoning, and getting these all mixed up. Alrighty, so next we're gonna put some flour on the wings. Normally I would do it a little bit different, like I would put the flour like in a separate container and then like dredge the wings. But for these wings, we really only need like a light coating of flour, so I'm just gonna spread the flour on top and just get the flour combined with the chicken in the same bowl. So you want to make sure every piece has a coating of flour on it. But again, it doesn't have to be as thick of a coating like you would like if you were having like regular fried chicken. We just want a light coating to give it a little bit of crispness. And then we're gonna let them sit for a little bit, and then they're ready to go in the fryer. I use a cast iron skillet. I find that best for frying, but you can use any kind of pan that you like, and I'm using canola oil. So we're just gonna get all our wings in there. We don't wanna overcrowd the pan, and then we're just gonna let them fry until they get golden brown around the edges, and then we're gonna go ahead and give them a flip. And the cooking time will vary depending on the size of your wings. So mine probably went about 10 minutes on one side, and then they'll probably go for less time on the other side, maybe about 5 minutes. So once they're done frying, you just want to lay them on a paper towel or a cooling rag to absorb some of that excess liquid. And now we're gonna add a sauce, a lemon pepper sauce to the wings. So I just took a half a stick of butter and melted it in the microwave. And now I'm adding some lemon pepper seasoning and some parsley flakes. The parsley flakes is just to give it a little color, just make it look nice. So we're gonna get that mixed up, and then we're just gonna pour the butter sauce over the wings. And doesn't that look delicious? Be sure to subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Then we're just gonna toss these wings in the sauce, get them all nice and coated evenly. This was so delicious, guys. Once you learn how to make this, I'm telling you, you will be making your own wings from now on. And here's our finished product, guys. They came out so delicious. They were crispy, lemony, peppery, everything you need from lemon pepper wings. And that lemon juice was an excellent substitute. I think I'll be doing it that way from now on. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you liked the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks, guys, for watching. Until next time.